Today we will be introducing you to two man-made wooden products, our Laserable External MDF and Laser Birch Plywood. Let's begin with our Laserable External MDF. It looks exactly like standard MDF, except this product has some really exciting differences which should be of great benefit. In changing weather conditions, normal MDF panels begin to warp and not keep their shape. However, this product can withstand these conditions. As you can see, our MDF can be laser cut. It can also be coated, coloured, sanded, glued, machined and fastened the same as any other high-performing fibre board. This means the user has the same freedom normally associated with MDF, but with one huge difference. This material can now be used outdoors. When you are working with woods, make sure the air resist is on. This is to protect the lens against flame, which will be produced when laser cutting is taking place. Here we are creating a birdhouse to show one of many outdoor applications this product can be used for. Fine detail can be engraved into our MDF, as you can see with the roof tiles which are being manufactured. When our MDF has been cut out on the laser, a darkened edge is created. Then, if necessary, the MDF can be sanded with fine sandpaper to achieve a smoother finish. Now we will glue the birdhouse together with the separate segments, making sure that between each part being attached, we allow time to dry. Since Laserable MDF is drier than standard MDF and absorbs water in a different manner, this can affect the sustainability and curing time of some adhesives. The suitable adhesives to use include PU adhesive, Epiglue, PRF adhesive and epoxy adhesive. When applying the glue, only a small amount is needed so that it does not become visible once the birdhouse is complete. Apply each part of the house with care so that the positioning and stability of all of the parts are correct. Once it has been left to dry, you are left with your finished birdhouse, made from our very own Laserable External MDF. Additional information. Laserable MDF panels are expected to achieve a fire class of Euro Class D within Euro classification systems. It comes in a sheet size of 1220mm by 610mm. Finally, the thickness of this product is 6mm. Now, let's look at our birch plywood. This wood is manufactured using birch timber, which has been bonded using urea glue. This absorbs laser radiation better and therefore cuts more quickly and easier than normal plywood. Even though it is a man-made product, the finish of the wood is a good-looking comparison to solid wood. In this demonstration, we will be creating a bookbinder. First, we will cut out the spine, and then cut out the outline of the binder, which can be done with ease. As you can see, the birch plywood becomes flexible once it has been laser cut. This product engraves extremely well, and with the correct settings, shading can be added, which is shown in our Garden Labelling Sign Company logo. After engraving has taken place, our birch plywood can be sanded to remove any residue or increase the smoothness of the product. This can be done using fine sandpaper. Then you will be left with your finished bookbinder created using our birch plywood, which has been lightly coated with Danish oil to achieve an attractive and natural finish. Additional information. This wood can be purchased in a size of 760mm square or 1525mm by 760mm. The thickness of this product is 4mm. The settings used on both woods were the same when using our 50-watt machine. If you want darker detail, keep the raster settings the same, but defocus the lens by an additional 10mm away from the wood. In comparison to solid woods, it works pretty much the same. The only difference would be that you don't have a deep underlying grain in the MDF and birch plywood, so the engraved mark is more consistent in colour as opposed to solid wood, which can differ.